Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to track an order on Maurices. If you don't have a Maurices account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for Track an Order. Click on Track an Order. To track your order, select the order from and date. Then enter the order number. Lastly, click on Go. That's how you track an order on Maurices. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.